Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to make a Google Reviews QR code. First of all, we open Chrome browser and code the search bar. Here, first of all, you open Google, then go to the search bar and type My Business Profile. Here, we will just scroll down and then click on View Profile. Then click on Ask for Reviews. Here, we can share our website link through email, WhatsApp, Facebook, and the last option is to send the link directly to anybody. Alternatively, you can create a QR code. First, click on the copy icon, then open a new tab. Here, type Monkey QR code. After that, go below and click on QR code Monkey. Once open, there are a lot of tabs: text, email, phone, SMS, V-card, location, Facebook. You can create the QR code for these social media platforms. Here, we will click on URL, then click on Enter Content. And now paste your QR code. Scroll down and click on Set Color. There are three options: single color, color gradient, custom. Choose the color according to your QR code requirement. And lastly, adjust the background color of your QR code. After that, go below and click on Add Logo Image. You can add the logo of any social media website or upload your own business image. Click on Upload Image. Then upload your image, 16 supported. Scroll down and click on Customize Design. First of all, adjust the design of the body shape. You can select any design for the QR code. After that, go to the iframe shape. Here, select the iframe of your QR code. Then, go below and click on eyeball shape. The eyeball shapes will be added to your QR code. Scroll up and click on Create QR code. Once done, here you can see your QR code has been created. You can customize this one. For example, I am changing the eyeball shape. After that, click on Create QR code. Now you can see our QR code has been customized properly. Then, go below. You can download this one as an SVG, PDF, and EPS file. After that, click on the download button, and your QR code is ready to get reviews from your customers. That's the way to create a QR code for Google Business Profile reviews. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.